In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Selection Pane in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to work with objects. The Selection Pane is a very helpful feature when your sheet contains visual elements like pictures, shapes, icons, smart art, text boxes, word art, or charts. Instead of clicking around and struggling to grab the right item, especially when several objects are stacked on top of each other, the Selection Pane gives you a clear list of everything on the sheet, so you can manage those items more easily. This tool is useful because it lets you view objects, select them quickly, rename them, hide them temporarily, and understand how they're arranged. If you've ever tried clicking a chart hidden behind a shape or a text box sitting behind an image, this feature makes that process much simpler and more precise. To open the Selection Pane, go to the Home tab, then choose Find and Select, and then click Selection Pane. You can also open it from the Shape Format tab by going to Arrange and then selecting Selection Pane. Once you do that, the pane will appear on the right side of your worksheet, showing a list of the objects currently available on that sheet. If you need to select hidden or overlapping objects, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. Just open the Selection Pane and click the name of the object you want. Excel will immediately select that item for you, even if it's behind another object or difficult to click directly on the worksheet. This is especially helpful when designing dashboards, reports, or layouts with multiple layers. You can also rename objects in the Selection Pane. By default, Excel usually gives them generic names like Picture 1, Picture 2, Rectangle 3, or Chart 1. Those names can become confusing very quickly. To rename an object, double-click its name in the pane, type a more meaningful name, and then press Enter. For example, you might rename items as Company Logo, Sales Chart, or Title Box. Clear names make it much easier to stay organized, especially in larger workbooks. Another useful feature is the ability to hide or show objects. Next to each object in the Selection Pane, you'll see an eye icon. Click the eye icon to hide that object from view. Click it again to make the object visible once more. This only changes visibility, so the object is not deleted. It simply gives you a cleaner view while you work. And that's how to use the Selection Pane in Excel to manage worksheet objects more efficiently and with a lot less frustration.